Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CFMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely monster day here. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First level is going to be the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average, then that would by far make the chart look the healthiest going forward. But if the price does go down there and drop below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, that is certainly, the best case scenario. Next level of support in the event that 200 period can't hold, I would call it down here at that level, and that sits at about $7.70. And 770 is definitely more of a important level because at that point, I'm not saying the price will even test that, but if the price were to drop below there, in that event, that would put the price right back to this range where it already was. And you don't want to see the price going back to where it was, right? You want to see the price making progress forward. Whereas if the price does come down here, and not saying it will, but if it comes down here, it bounces around and heads back up, even at that point in time, sure, that would be a deeper pullback. But you'd have a set of lows right here, and then you'd have this set of lows down there. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, then within the grand scheme of things, you'd still have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. Assuming you care about overall trends being established, you just want to see the price make progress as time goes by. Now, in regards to levels of resistance, gonna have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit more. Makes pretty good sense why the price struggled today where it did. Granted, the price did get up above $9.20, but because the price couldn't maintain above it, still got to be considered a level of resistance. I say it makes sense. If you look back here, you can see acted as resistance, resistance, resistance. Again, sure, it got up above it, could not maintain above it, so acted as resistance. Same thing here. Got above it, could not maintain above it, so still acting as resistance. If 920 can be broken, the next key level to keep an eye on right up there at the $9.50 mark. But no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. So it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.